Good morning, good morning, good morning, traders, and those of you seeking to be investors slash traders, and you want to know how to trade the markets, how to understand the charts, and how to make profits, even if it's for growth or income. My style is mostly for income, as I am constantly looking for opportunities to increase my income. I am the sole provider of a large family, and so I need to be creative with the ways I generate income. Some days are better than others. Yesterday was a bad day, a nasty day for me. I took a big loss in the morning. I was able, and a big loss was $700. But I did took some heat. One of those days, I don't know what I was thinking. I needed to be somewhere at 8:30 in the morning, and I started trading right at 7:30. So I was under stress, rushing through and not paying attention to what I was doing. Um, it happens. And so today, I also have to leave early, and I decided to hold on. This is kind of loud, isn't it? So I decided to start early. I went in with some big lots, and I'll show you the recap in a minute. But I made already over $2,000, but I lost already over 15 of the 2,000 I made. So right now I am green 700 in, already locked in, and I have this trade that you can see open for it's already up 660. So that will put me, if I close now, 700 plus the six, that puts me a little or closer to I'm way above my target. Hold on. Let me just take this profit just in case we do a reversal here. I want to secure it. Let me see. Oh, we should be fine. We're seeing some sellers coming in. So I'm going to just, let me take a little bit. Let me see how high. So as you can see the volume, sellers are selling this. They're really liquidating the positions here. So I'm gonna take the profit of 600, and that brings me for a day of 13. But you can see here it was 2,820 total profit. Let me take a quick screenshot so you can see now. I am trading the regular Nasdaq, and I am trading because of the time I wanted to trade today, and I really wanted to make my losses back. It wasn't revenge trading, but this morning I came in and I traded a little bit bigger than I usually do, trying to take opportunity out of those movements. And so, wait a minute, where am I? All right, I'm right here. So I really, really, really needed to. I guess I wanted to. Yeah, I wanted to feel better about my day yesterday, and so I took the opportunities that I saw today with a little bit more risk, and so I traded more lots than usual. And so by doing that, yeah, right now I can talk to you better. I know it's we most likely going to continue climbing higher, but it's okay. $1,300 for the day, which if I take away the 700, I'm still green for the week. But hold on, let me see here. Let me get this up. I want you to see my losses, and don't get scared by those numbers. Once I did hit a very large trade, and so I traded more and risked more from the beginning. So the money that went down on the red was basically the money that I have earned previously, losing those trades. But I'll show you in a minute. No, no, no. So where is it? Okay. So one thing I could do right now, I don't want to miss this move. I'm gonna trade a smaller size, and I'm going to go with the flow. So I'll put in one trade, and my loss is going to be right here below the. If this thing reverses, it's only one lot, so I'm not risking any more than what I could. And if you scroll down, this is a $280 risk. Okay, and so I'm gonna see how far this thing goes, because it is liquidity is coming in and trying to push back. Target will be, yeah, around 733, 731. That's where I have this take profit. I want to let this run, see how that goes while I finish uploading how my trades. But you can see, even with one lot, if you're doing this for income, just one lot alone that I just put in here on this breakout, and you can see how someone, and if you have a smaller account to start, you know, you don't need to put three, four, five lots like I did this morning to try to push the price or those gains higher quickly. And this is the regular Nasdaq. You can always trade the micros, which it will be a tenth of what you're seeing. So instead of being 100 right now in the profit, you could be very easily be, you know what, you could be very easily be on $10. So right there would have been $13. So it's a tenth of what you're seeing. And that is a doable way after you learn the strategy. By the way, the way I teach, I will teach you how to understand the charts. You will have access to me via our trading group or trading room on Telegram, and there can you can ask me any questions anytime you want. You know, so hold on. Guys, I'm all over the place. This thing it's really confusing. Okay, so there you go. Let me just share it in a larger size so you can see that. So you can see both things there. So that's the open profit that I have now. You can see where we are with that one lot trade on the right on the bottom, and then on the as of now. So look at where on the left. Can you see that? That's kind of like in the middle. I don't like that there. Okay, so yeah, so that's much better. So yeah, so made not including the trade that I'm in right now, 28.20 for the day. But like I said, don't get impressed by that. And if you're looking at it as business, that will be considered revenue, right? Then my expenses for the day has been 15.20. That's the way I see it. My losses, I see it as an expense to make that money and to potentially make more. So for today, I have made so far 11 trades, 4 losses, 7 wins. Those losses were the size that you see 1520 because of I'm gonna take this profit here. Okay, so that took that for that scalp with one contract. Let's see. All right, so yeah, so 1520s, it might seem like a giant number, but again, it came out of 2820. So at the end of the day, my P&L, my for the day is 1211, and that's a phenomenal day for a day, and it's not even seven. I mean, well, yeah, it is 7:14 now. So 1211, 1211. You saying? And if you see that, my gross, it's 1450 now after that one lot trade. I'm gonna wrap it up for today. I do have to get ready. I need to leave again super early. And you might ask yourself, is this the right thing to do? Uh, the beauty of this business is if you have no experience with it, is it gives you the opportunity to enter with and risk very little until you get confident enough to where you can risk more and your account grows to the place where you can risk more. I mean, there is all money management principles behind everything we do, and the amount of money that we risk is not necessarily the amount of money that you will be risking, but it's just basically it's just basically you trade based on how your capacity, you know. What's your capacity, both financially and psychologically. And so to trade the Nasdaq, you have to get used to see 600, um, 500, $1,000 red. But you're not thinking in terms of money per se. You're thinking in terms of overhead expenses. You're thinking on the amount of money you're risking is directly related to how much is costing you to participate in your gains for the day. I don't know if that makes sense. Most people come into trading thinking, oh, I'm gonna make money when I make money when I make money. But we will have red days because we're humans, and as humans, we don't have the same state of mind every day. We're not, we might have a bad sleep. We are a little bit concerned about something, and everything is reflected in the market because you will make mistakes. And when you make those mistakes, like I did yesterday, by rushing through, you'll pay the price. But it's not a price, it's an expense. Okay? It's an expense that you are assuming the responsibility for that day. So I do have to also recognize, I was telling a friend of mine that is watching the feed yesterday that, trading and having a live audience also adds another layer of pressure. And so, that's a new layer of pressure that I'm dealing with and I'm learning, to deal with. So, thank you for being here. I am planning to do this, as long as I can, and hopefully many, many years to come, as I've been trading for years already myself privately and with a small group of people. I want to, and I feel that it's time to open it for those of you out there who, uh, you know, have the resources and want to learn how to do it. I have a system and I have a methodology that it's not what you typically see everywhere. It's just different. And so, if you're interested, just shoot me an email or a message. I'll be happy to talk to you more individually. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. You know how it is. Subscribe, turn notifications on, comment if you have questions about these trades. Comment on the comment section. Just share your thoughts, your concerns, what you think, your opinion, anything. And then also, like and share the video so that way we can reach more people. Today it is Friday, and again, um, NFP tends to move the markets in a way that uh, only Powell can do on Tuesdays when he does his announcements. And so, I mean, on Wednesday. So let's see what happens. I won't be trading it, and I won't be trading for the rest of the day. That's it. I'm going to keep my 1450 that goes into the pot and see how Monday will be. So have a great weekend and enjoy the rest of your day.